Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Chrissy and Joe. We're here in Dubai, guys. Look at that, I have a visitor, guys. It's Joe in Dubai. Nakalimutan ko palang mag-video, guys. Amoy may susunduin. Takip din ang ilong pag may time. May naamoy akong hindi maganda. Time check, 11:25. Ayan, nakalapag na si Honey, guys. Nasa immigration pa daw siya. Pero ako'y nasusuka na sa amoy talaga ng nasa unahan. Ayan, excited! Where are you? Hello. No, it's a. We have picture already. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Chrissy and Joe. We're here in Dubai, guys. Look at that, I have a visitor, guys. It's Joe in Dubai. Joe is in here in Dubai. So for your information, guys, this is Dubai Frame, one of the iconic what do you call that, monuments or structure of Dubai. So that's it, just a short video only. So let's go. Madilim na. Sige, papasok sa loob. Hindi na. It's kind of boring. I want to go to the Dubai Mall than going up there because it's just a viewing deck, no? Parang ang boring, parang wala iba ka makita. Akyat ka lang tapos Yun nga, boring nga talaga. Let's go. Welcome to Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. Yay! Joe and Chrissy and Joe is in Dubai.
Yes, we are.
You see that? Move here, honey.
Oops.
Oops. That is Dubai Frame. Oh, I forgot to bring my selfie stick. Bye. See you again later for our video. Hi, Leia.
Hello.
My friend. Long time no see.
I miss your vlog.
Yeah. Hi, Joe.
Hi, honey.
Honey.
You caught me off guard.
Yeah. Honey is taking a video.
Honey, I was getting a picture. I got a picture of you.
A picture of me? I thought it's just a video.
Museum, nandun yung mga gandang mga buildings. Mga building pa lang. May museum.
Daan pa rin tayo. Tingnan natin. Kasi hindi pa tayo nakapunta ng Baguio.
Oh, di ba kasi?
Let's go.
maybe not.
Thank you for watching.